Welcome to my YouTube channel AIHR Integrative Health. I am going to discuss in this video about the vitality. Vitality is a natural force of our body. This is the moxa. I will describe about this moxa, how you can use this moxa on this point which I am marked with a red mark. These are the points related with the vitality. What is the vitality? It is a natural your body strength which gives you the stamina, which gives you the power to play while you are in sexual relationship. While you are working in the office, you need a stamina. If you are working in a factory, you need a stamina to stand all the time to work on the machines. If you are working on a computer, again you need a stamina to control your body, control your energy, and you don't feel exhausted. Sometimes you are doing the exercise, you are doing the yoga, you are doing the meditation, and you are playing with your children at home. What you feel? You feel I tired very easily as compared to your better half. She can cook, she can do all the homework, she teaches the children also. Even then in the evening and when both of you sleeping, then she also try to make you happy. That only depend upon the good vitality. Good vitality and good energy level, good aura, and good body strength. These are the important points. I will discuss about this point, but these points are responsible for your vitality. The vitality is low, your sexual behavior will be very poor. Your sexuality will be very poor. Cannot do anything or cannot enjoy your sexual life very well. It is a low level of energy at all time, low stamina all time. Poor physical performance is also related to your vitality. How you perform during the sex, how you perform, it is also depend upon your vitality. Vitality means the energy force of your body which keep you healthy, which keep you moving, which keep you active. How to activate the vitality? In a simple manner. You can take a healthy diet, you can take the vitamins and minerals, but I will not advise the supplements, food supplement, but I will advise you do lot of exercise, you take a healthy diet, and you maintain your body strength. Be happy, be joyful, never become sad. Keep your bowel movement very active. Means 2 times a day, if you go and move your bowel, that is excellent. If you have any problem related with your digestive system, you can see my other videos where I have given the solution for the digestive system, constipation, gastric, indigestion, undigested food passing through the stool. Everything I have discussed in my videos. Here I will just discuss about the points. Which are the points? I will just name the point: CV8, CV14, CV16. These points you can very easily find out from the Google or the picture of the TCM meridians. Stomach 21 is another point, which is another important point for raising the vitality in this digestive system. Gallbladder 24, it is also important point. Gallbladder is related with your muscular system. Stomach 21 is related with your digestive system. Then spleen 16 is also important point, which circulate the blood in the body, in the nervous system, in the circulatory system also, and all the lymphocytes, monocytes, and various type of hormones are produced in the spleen. Therefore, spleen 16 is very important point, because all these stomach and spleen and gallbladder, all these meridians are passing from your lower abdominal area, reproductive area. When this area is good, having healthy blood circulation, having good muscular system, then you will find your everything is very well. Now come to this moxa. How to activate this point which I have shown you. I have shown you CV8 and shown you CV14, CV15 and stomach 21, GB24, SP16. With the help of this model, I will try to explain each and every point very simple manner. This is the moxa. Moxa is a herbs. It is a herb like a cigar. There are 8 points. These are the 6 points which you can do the moxa with the help of your partner every night, so that your vitality is activated, your energy level is activated before sleep or after the meal, after the dinner, 2 hours later. You can do this moxa with the help of your wife. You can see this moxa is having the ashes, and inside there are the herbs which are fuming like anything. These fumes are not harmful to anybody, but the heat of this point, heat of this moxa is important. It is a life-saving for us. It is a medicine for us. And how to do the moxa? You just touch near to this point. This is the point CV8. This is the point CV8. I am touching this point CV8 with the help of moxa. When you are putting directly this point on your CV8 on the body, it is a navel. It is a navel. CV8 is a navel. When you do the moxa, you must maintain at least 1 inch of distance from the skin. When you are doing the moxa, automatically the diseased part will suck more energy, more heat, and within the distance, more heat feeling on the diseased point. Less distance, minimum distance, you touch a good point, you will not feel the heat. This is the basic principle of the moxa. When the disease point, you hit a disease point, you will find your moxa is up, but point is feeling much heat. It means you are not doing moxa on the right point, and your exercise of doing moxa is right. Now come to this point. This point is CV12. This point is CV12. This point is CV14. You can do the moxa on the both the point. Here model is very small. What I am trying to do, show you the how to locate the point, where is the position of the line point. You can do the moxa on this point in a straight line. This meridian is a conception method, or we call the CV meridian. CV8, CV12 and CV14. I have shown you how to do the moxa for your increasing the vitality, increasing